Tyranny, tyranny. We should resist unfair tyranny. Governments with tyranny don't last long. Sentinel, sentinel. He has been hired as a sentinel. On the road, he was stopped by a French sentinel. Nonchalant, nonchalant. He is a nonchalant person. He shrugged nonchalantly when asked about the exam results. Tickle, tickle. He screamed with laughter as she tickled him. I can't control my laughter when someone tickles my feet. Imitate, imitate. I like to imitate my dad. Don't imitate animals. Instinct, instinct. He can capture pictures instantly. She tries instant noodles to ease her hunger. Tribute, tribute. The soldier's salute was a tribute to the fallen soldiers. He expressed his tribute to the hard-working farmers. Thug, thug. He is a part of a thug group. The boy was attacked by violent thugs.